Welcome back, students. This is Shimi from Don Bosco Campus Vision. I'm dealing with business statistics. So, in the last lecture, we had seen a conversion in which we were supposed to change or convert a fixed base index to chain base index. In today's lecture, we are going to calculate or we are going to do a practical problem to see how we convert chain base index to fixed base index. So the question is, from the following chain base index calculate fixed base index number. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ചെയിൻ ബേസ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, നമുക്ക് അത് വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മളതിനെ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഫിക്സ്ഡ് ബേസ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ ദ ഫോർമുല ആൻഡ് ലെറ്റ് us solve this. So years are given from 2010, 11, 12 to 2016. These many years are given and chain base index are given. So for the first year 2010, 92 is the chain base index.
So let's write down 92. This is because we do not have a previous fixed base index which is asked in the formula. So we are going to write this as it is. Now second is 2011. The chain base index is 105. So let us look into the formula. First we are going to write the current year's chain. This is my year. What is the current year's chain? 105 into previous fixed year. So previous year is 2010. What is the fixed base index? 92. So write down divided by 100. So we will get here 96.6. Now going to 2012. 2012 is my current year. What is my chain base index here? 10 into previous year's fixed base index. Previous year's fixed base index is 96.6 into 100. So what we are getting here? We are getting here 106.26. Again we are going to 2013. 100 into previous year's fixed base index into 100. Okay, since 100 gets cancelled, we'll get 106.26. Similarly we are going to continue it for all. So finally we are done with all our years fixed base index. So this is how we are going to calculate the conversion when it comes to fixed base index. We will be given chain base index. According to that we are going to use it and we are going to find fixed base index. So this is basically the final answer. These are the indices which we are going to get after the conversion from chain base to fixed base index.
So students, this is the home assignment. This is your question from textbook itself. Question number 30 has to be solved. So understand, all the home assignments whatever I am giving is from your textbook itself, so that your practical problems are also getting solved along with the solved illustrations. That's all about the conversion part. That is, we have done fixed to chain as well as chain to fixed. Thank you, students.